So this is the tutorial for round 4 in the Amigurumi's head. So in the 4th round, what we do is we single crochet 2. So in the first stitch you do a single crochet, in the second one you do a single crochet, and then when you get to the third one, you put 2 single crochets into that loop. And you repeat that 6 times, and you'll make a total of 24 stitches. So I'll show you what that means, because again, from my explanation from the instructions, it's probably completely Greek. So if you remember last time, we marked our final stitch with our pin, because this is where things get tricky. So if you forget what you're doing, you can always undo your stitches until you get to this point, and you'll know that then you'll be at the start of round 4 if you undo your stitches back to the pin. So if you get lost, you have a place to come back to. So our instructions said single crochet 2, so we're going to single crochet 2. So in the first one, we do 1 single crochet, move over to the next one, and in there, you make a single crochet, and then in the third stitch, we're going to put 2 single crochets in there. So 1, and then go back into the same hole and do another one. And for the 4th, we do 1 single crochet in 1 stitch. For the 5th, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. And for the 6th, we do 2 single crochet into the 6th. I hope that makes sense. So 1 single crochet in the 7th, 1 single crochet in the 8th, and 2 single crochets go back into the same hole for the 9th. For the 10th, 1 single crochet, and the 11th, 1 single crochet, and in the 12th, you put 2. So you keep going with that pattern until you get to your pin. 1, move to the next, 1, move to the next, and in this one you put 2. One, move to the next, 1, move to the next, and you can see that the next one has our pin in it. So you remove the pin and you end off by putting 2 single crochets into that stitch. Now, just in case you were crocheting while watching TV, or your husband came to talk to you and completely distracted you from what you were doing, you can count your stitches to make sure that you have 24, because that's what we should have ended up with. Before I do that, I'm going to put my pin in here to mark my last stitch. Oops, sorry, not in there. Right here. So I'll mark the end of round 4. And now we can do a quick count to make sure we've made all of our stitches. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and there's our pin in number 24. So we are done round 4.